Hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine, yeah,
How was your day?
yeah. Okay, okay.
Okay sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you are start your recording.
नहीं अभी नहीं करी मैंने, तू ही कर दे।
कर
मुझे
दी
पता नहीं।
कर दी मैंने अभी।
अबे कनेक्टिंग टू Redmi Note 11 दिखा रहा बार बार, मैं कब डिलीट कर चुका हूँ। एक सेकंड रुकिए, डोंट टास्क मी अगेन पे करता हूँ। अच्छा, ओके। सो रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँगा ये बता पहले।
हाँ, OBS से ही। बस अपना वहाँ से जो कैमरा होता है वो ऑफ कर लियो OBS से।
अपना कैमरा क्यों?
हाँ, अरे तो इसमें कैमरा आ तो रहा है ना मीट में, तो स्क्रीन तो रिकॉर्ड होगी ना।
OBS खोलने देंगे, लाइव चला दूँ?
चला दो सर, आपकी मर्जी है सर, हम तो छोटे मोटे आदमी हैं। सर कितने
चल,
सर कितने का पैकेज मिल जाएगा वो ये पूछ रहा था कुछ।
first let's talk about the interview, then we go toward the package thing.
ओके
Okay,
ओके।
bro. Wait, वीडियो कैप्चर ऑफ कर देता हूँ ना, डिलीट ही कर देता हूँ उसको।
अरे
डिस्प्ले कैप्चर, अच्छा
ये
यहाँ।
आइस
हाँ,
वाला ऑप्शन आता ना, आइस वाले पे क्लोज कर दे आइस को।
कोई
व्यू
बात नहीं,
हट।
मैं एडिट कर दिया उसको।
हाँ ये भी सही है।
डेस्कटॉप ऑडियो भी फुल आनी चाहिए, माइक ऑक्स भी फुल आना चाहिए। काफी कल लाइव कर रहा था, काफी कम आवाज आ रही थी यार, मैंने देखा जब लाइव खत्म होने के बाद।
हाँ शायद कम कर रखी होगी, हाँ कम थी, मैंने देखी थी तेरी लाइव।
हम्म।
अभी तो करी थी तूने, कल कब?
रात में
अच्छा अच्छा।
1:30 2 बजे करी थी।
अच्छा
या स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग में हो जाएगा ना।
हाँ।
रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट तो कर दी मैंने। अब ये देखना है कि आवाज आएगी कि नहीं, कैसे पता चलेगा।
सर वुड यू लाइक टू हैव
रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप
वाटर?
करके।
सर वुड यू लाइक टू हैव वाटर?
खाली हो गया है तो।
सर कैन आई ड्रिंक वाटर?
अबे चलना हट, रुक जा। रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप करने दे, मुझे देखनी है ना आवाज आ रही है। रिकॉर्डिंग सेव कहाँ हुई होगी अभी? स्टॉप तो कर दी मैंने।
अरे नीचे एड्रेस आ जाता, लिखा हुआ है वहीं नीचे एड्रेस आ जाएगा किधर से।
नहीं आया।
अरे तो सर्च कर लियो, फाइंड कर लियो।
नहीं। ये रही। एक सेकंड रुक, प्ले कर रही हूँ।
ठीक है। मेरी ये वॉइस आ रही
Sir,
है?
would you like to? Sir, would you like to have water?
ओ, आवाज सही आ रही है।
तेरी
Sir, can I drink?
क्या?
तेरी सही आ रही है?
दोनों की आवाज आ रही है।
ठीक है फिर
हाँ
स्टार्ट
सही आ
कर।
रही है। फिर अब मैं रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट
एक सेकंड रुकियो।
करता हूँ।
क्या है?
स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग। रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो चुकी है ब्रो।
शांत रहना अब।
कैमरा ऑफ कर दिया।
या
Yeah.
रेज्यूम तो खोल लूँ। मुझे थोड़ा हैंग करने लग जा रहा है लैपटॉप यार, जैसे रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट करता हूँ। So let's open your resume.
आस्क मी सिंपल क्वेश्चन और
या आई वुड ऐसे बोलेगा इंटरव्यू में ब्रो। अबे तेरा रेज्यूमे से दूसरे उस पे भेजा दूंगा दूसरे नंबर से। कहाँ है ये रहा, मिल गया। तो मैं तेरा रेज्यूमे ओपन कर लिया है, अब इसको मैं कर देता हूँ डिवाइड। सो which position are you applying for?
I am applying for data analyst and Python developer.
दोनों एक साथ? Okay, so be serious now.
Okay.
So what's your name again?
My name is Nityam Singh.
Okay, so
Myself Nityam Singh.
Okay, दोनों सही हैं यार। Okay, so introduce you please, introduce yourself.
Yeah. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Nityam Singh. I am belongs to Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I am pursuing B.Tech from Isan College of Engineering, and I'm in my final year student, and I scored 7.3 CGPA till now, and I done my schooling from MD Inter College. I secured 82 percentage in 10th standard and 70% in 12th standard. Currently, I am working on data analyst and Python developer role, and I have a strong interest in Python and SQL. Also, I am uh, uh, seeking about iOS development, and I solve more than 100 problem in DSA in Python on lead code. That's all about me, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, I saw you tell us about so many roles between this introduction, like data analyst, Python developer, iOS developer. Oh
Yeah,
my god. Okay, so first go through your resume.
sir. Uh, uh, in my skill section, I mentioned Python, SQL, and mm, HTML, CSS, Java, HTML, CSS, and Power BI, and Excel, and AWS EC2 instance, and R3 bucket. I think I don't mention R3 bucket in my resume, and
Mhm.
uh, I had done my internship at uh, 1 month internship at uh, uh,
यहीं पे रह जाएगा साले। इंटरनेट कंपनी का नाम भूल गया।
I done my internship at workshop, army
Yeah.
base workshop. This is located at near Bindu Katra, Agra.
Okay, so let's your professional experience matters us more. So let's talk about it. So what you did actually in that internship?
Uh, in this internship, I built a software that is mm, related to AI drone tracking and detection system. I use in this internship. Uh, First, I download 10K data set from RoboFlow, and from the data set, I train this data for a drone detection and tracking. I use byte tracking algorithm to track the drone, and OpenCV to detect the camera, OpenCV to detect the camera.
Okay. Mhm. Okay, so let's talk about your projects. Go through your projects, please.
uh, I analyze almost 10,000 data From that I picked from किस वेबसाइट से करा था सर?
कैगल?
हाँ, नो नो कैगल।
मैं प्रोजेक्ट पूछ रहा हूँ। हैबिट फ्लो,
ओके
ग्लोबल रिसर्च।
ओके ओके। हाँ, I built my website Habitflow in Django framework. In this
ओके।
project, every employee and student and everyone who want to build your habit and everyone track his habit in this website. In this website I also use auth key for login and sign up process and also google continue with google process.
Okay. And what about your second project?
I analyze over 10,000 plus data.
Okay.
That data come from our website. I don't remember the website name. uh,
Bloomberg.
Bloomberg. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I extract the data from Bloomberg and uh, analysis through Power BI.
Okay. So you made a
Top.
dashboard on it, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
So how?
I also mentioned the link of the dashboard in my resume.
Okay. So okay. Okay. So you are applying for data analyst role, right?
Also a Python developer.
एक बोल साले। मैं भी क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Let मैं भी प्रोफेशन की तरह बात करता हूँ। So let's come to your technical skills. You mentioned Python SQL, which is most important for data analyst role. And yeah, analytics things like Power BI, Excel, Matplotlib, Pandas, and NumPy are also both important. Okay. So how would you rate yourself from 5 out of 5 in SQL?
Uh, Almost 4.
Almost 4. Okay. So let's. I have a question. Okay. So there are two tables. You have a pen paper, right?
Yeah, right.
So yeah. So you mentioned MySQL and PostgreSQL. What about SQL Server?
Means MySQL and SQL Server and MySQL also are same, and both are same query, but some two and three syntax are different from each other.
Okay. I want you to write in standard SQL query. The thing I'm going to. There are two tables. Okay. First table is employee table, in which the columns are employee ID, department ID, employee name, salary. Okay. And another table is department table, in which we have two columns: department ID and department name. Okay. So you have to write a query so that you can fetch employee ID with employee name. So let's say employee every you have to fetch employee name. Okay, where the department name should be sales. The department name should be sales. You have to fetch all the employees name where the department name should be sales
Okay, sir.
from the sales department. I would say.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what you write? Read it.
Select EMP employee ID, comma employee name
Okay.
from employee table E. Join department table D on E dot department ID equal to D dot department ID, where department name equal to sale. Dep-
Okay. Yeah, it's good. But there's a minor mistake.
where department name is sale.
Is नहीं equals to ही आएगा वैसे तो. But the thing is that you mention employee, right?
Yeah.
So you have to write select like e dot employee ID because employee ID is repeated in,
Okay. Okay.
right? What I'm saying.
Right. Right.
Yeah, your approach is good. I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so let's talk about some theoretical concept. Okay, so it is very important. So tell me about joins in SQL.
Joins are basically used for combining two or more than two tables.
Okay, the types of joins.
Uh, Joins have main types are inner join, left join, right join, cross join, and
Yeah.
that's are important join that are used in your daily life.
Okay. Tell the difference between the left outer join and left join. ये सब मैं पूछ रहा हूँ जो मेरे से पूछा गया है.
I think left outer or left join is same join.
Yeah, that's what I want to listen, man. Okay.
Only the name is different. Left join and
Yeah,
left outer
yeah,
join.
they return the same thing, right?
Same thing. Yeah.
Okay. So you have a good knowledge about joins. What about window functions? You know Windows functions?
Yeah, I have little bit knowledge about Windows function.
Okay. So can you tell me the difference between rank and dense rank?
Uh, Rank function is return the value of like 1, 2, 3, and dense rank when the value are the same, both value are same. So dense rank return uh, means if means I have a student table.
Okay.
Student number table. Uh, uh, so I when I rank the student number table, rank function used for like 100 number is the first place, and nine then 100% 100 number, uh, 100 number is also give is the rank 2, and then dense rank give 100 number 1, and then 100 number again to 1.
So what about rank?
What?
What about rank then? What did rank do? You said dense rank uh, shows the rank similar rank to the same number, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Duplicate number, same rank.
yeah.
Okay. Then what about rank function?
Rank give a different.
Different. Then what about row number? See,
Yeah.
the thing is, I'll tell you that rank also gives the same duplicate number, but for the next iteration, it skips the number. Like you said, there are 200, right? 100, 199. Let's say 100, 199. Rank give the rank functions give the rank like 113. Skip the
Okay.
2.
Oh,
Okay. Dense rank give 112. That's
okay.
the main difference between them. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, okay. Uh, so this is the data analyst interview. So, what about Excel? Tell me about Excel. Just tell me about Excel.
Basically, Excel is used for storing the data and manipulation of data,
What kind of data?
any kind of data. Do
Any
you
kind
have?
of data.
Yeah.
Image data.
No, no. Means structured
relational
uh, uh,
relational data.
relation data.
भाई ऐसे पूछते हैं ये लोग. Okay. What does Power BI used for?
uh,
Only making dashboards?
no, no, it's used for all cleaning the data
Mhm.
and
Okay, I have a question arise in my mind. If I if the Power BI is used for cleaning the data, then why we use Python, SQL, and Excel for cleaning the data? If the Excel is used for cleaning the data, then why we use Python and SQL?
Python clean the data in efficient manner and when we load millions of data the Power BI and Excel is should be hang.
Okay,
So we use Python.
so we use Python for cleaning the data.
Yeah, yeah,
For extracting things, use SQL.
yeah,
For making dashboards, use Power BI, right?
right.
Okay. So you have mentioned in your introduction that you have solved 100 plus questions in
Yeah,
DSA. DSA? So you know DSA, right?
yeah.
Okay. So I should ask a question from DSA too. Let's see what questions comes in my mind. What topics you done in DSA?
uh, String, array, linked list, binary search,
Hmm.
and now I'm studying about stack and queue.
Okay. So tell me the bind search to find the middle element. What condition should we use?
uh, 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 for find the middle element we calculate the first element of the array and then last element of the array and then sum of the first and last index and double divide by 2 means double slash by 2 that return the
Divide by.
integer value, that return the integer value.
Okay, divide by 2, right?
Right.
But the thing is, it if the integer value is too large, it can overflow. What is the optimization way to find the middle element?
What?
The thing is, if the integer value is too large, it might overflow. Yeah, it might give error.
Okay.
Okay, so what's the efficient way to find the middle element if you know?
I use int conversion.
अरे देखिए होता है इसका ऐसा होता था मिडल इक्वल्स टू स्टार्ट प्लस
Last.
लास्ट माइनस स्टार्ट डिवाइड बाय टू
Okay.
ऐसा कुछ होता था ऐसे ही होता था okay so we are on a DSA thing so how would you approach to find reverse of a string if you want to reverse a string right if you want to reverse a string like you have a name Nityam
Okay.
right so your reverse string should be MAYTIN
Okay.
right so how would you do that
Mm. First, I use a Python built-in method like a double colon minus one
okay
that return the reverse of the string, and then second method I use a for loop that iterate from I for I in range uh, from len of string comma minus 1 comma minus 1 minus 1 because then the index is reversing the so include the zero index so I range from length to minus 1 and minus 1 and again the second minus 1 comma minus 1 repeat from means
repeat
last
go through
reverse manner mas-
okay so negative index right minus 1
negative
minus 1
index.
okay so you approach this for the negative index
uh,
okay
and
so
I also use while loop for reverse this string.
okay Can you tell that how many loops are there in Python?
While loop, for loop, do while loop.
Do while loop is in Python.
I think no. I I only study about a for loop and while loop.
Yeah, right. I thought exactly. ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता यार, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है। मेरे ख्याल से do while नहीं है, मुझे देख लेना चाहिए एक बार
मैंने
गूगल पे।
मैंने भी अभी तक यूज नहीं करा वैसे।
नहीं है शायद पाइथन में do while, जहाँ तक मैंने पढ़ा था। कोई ऐसे नेटिव do while loop नहीं है, हाँ। नहीं है पाइथन। ओके, while loop ही है। Okay. So let's come to the project again. Project is very crucial for, right? I saw that in the second project is for data analysis, right? Global richest people data analysis. So, and you said you take about 10,000 plus data in this project, right? So, uh,
How I
how,
extract.
first, how do you did you clean that data?
Uh,
You have to clean, right?
no, no.
No, it already cleaned.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me the approach. How did you clean the any data?
Uh, First I load the data from source
Yeah, yeah,
to
okay.
my uh, project, and then I find the null values.
Mm-hmm.
Null values I filled from the if integer value I filled the average, and mini and max value,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and string data I I avoid this data if that is not necessary and recommended, and I fill the values repeating values.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, what language or what tool you use to clean data, like SQL, Python, Power BI,
I mostly use
Excel?
SQL and Python.
Okay. So, no, no, no. In this project, what you use?
It is already clean data.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I forgot.
I only copy the link and paste in Power BI dashboard.
So you web scrape it, huh?
So it extract the data from Bloomberg, and I also then I select the table, which table I use in my project.
Okay. So you use Python or SQL to clean data. In Python, what you use to clean the data?
Pandas,
Pandas library, right?
right?
So how did you find the null values in Pandas?
ये कट कर दूंगा। अरे बहुत दिनों से पढ़ी नहीं है पांडास यार।
It's okay. मेरे ख्याल से ऐसे करते थे, pd डॉट, जैसे pd आ गया डॉट इज नल डॉट सम, शायद।
I use fill ना।
Fill the null values, right?
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
now you remember it. ठीक है, और तो क्या ही है, पाइथन हो गया, SQL हो गया, डीएस हो गया। Hmm. What are the most common libraries for data analysis used in Python?
Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn.
Okay, what does Seaborn do?
Same as Matplotlib, Seaborn create a bar diagrams of a data.
Okay, then what does Matplotlib do?
Matplotlib also create a diagram, but Seaborn create a efficient diagram. That
Efficient time. So Seaborn is a good, better than Matplotlib,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. But C1 syntax is difficult than Matplotlib.
Okay, so it is difficult. अबे कभी इंटरव्यू में डिफिकल्ट वर्ड यूज मत करियो, फिर तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी। और तूने बीच में एक चीज और बोली थी, जॉइंस में तूने कुछ तो बोला था। कुछ तो बोला था, याद नहीं आ रहा, पर वो नहीं बोलना था, हमें वहीं रोकना चाहिए था, रुक जा।
वो
अब क्यों
वीडियो है हमारे पास, देख लेंगे।
हाँ, बता दो वहाँ को। ओके, सो या as you mentioned like Python, SQL, and you are applying for the data analyst role, but in your project, I haven't seen Python. Like for data analyst role, like Habitflow is just a website, right? It's
Right,
not for data analyst role.
right.
It is not for it is not a data analyst project, right? So you have to mention a data analyst project according to that. Second was is okay that you it's for data analysis, but the first project. So you should, if you don't have any project other than this, so you should swap it from like put global research on first one,
Okay.
and like you mentioned Python and SQL, but I can't see in project how where you use SQL and Python for analysis. So it should be important because SQL is the most important thing in the data analysis. And what do you mean by high quality software solutions? As you mentioned your professional summary.
High quality software means create a software that is very high quality.
देख लियो भाई इसको। हाई क्वालिटी सॉफ्टवेयर सॉल्यूशन इनमें फॉर मी मेरे हिसाब से तो ये होना चाहिए
So build
कि
a software error free, bug free,
या
simple to use, clean structure, and
easy to
user
use, right?
friendly and user friendly.
Yeah, that's what the interviewer want to listen. Like not the high quality software. Okay, so yeah, that's it.
Okay, sir.
You should. Yeah, thank you for this. So
सर को पैकेज की तो बात कर लो सर।
किसकी बात? If you are shortlisted, then we will call you again, right?
सर ये तो सही बोल देते हैं।
सभी बोल देते हैं। yeah.
सर आप हमारा डेटा लेने आए थे, मुझे सब पता, और उसका यूज अपनी वेबसाइट में करोगे।
क्या बोल रहा है तू ये? मेरा 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 ये हैंग कर गई मीटिंग, रुक जा। चलने
सर
लगी, ओके।
यू आर स्टोरिंग माई डेटा, माई पर्सनल ईमेल एंड माई मोबाइल नंबर, देन यू यूज टू ट्रेन
हाउ
योर
कैन आई यूज इट?
you use for train your data and send me your company mail to join my program.
ओके, सो यू आर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड नाउ।
Yeah.
चलना, ठीक है, ओके।
Okay sir, thank you sir.
फीडबैक तो ले ले।
Thank you sir for taking my interview.
ओके, अब तू देखियो, अभी तू वीडियो देखियो है,
Okay sir.
तो उसमें देखियो तूने क्या क्या बोला, कहाँ का रुकना, कहाँ का रुका है तू।
Sure.
सो या ये जो मैं तुझे पूछा है ना, ऐसी चीजें पूछी है आपने, ऐसी चीजें
Sir,
पूछी है मैं।
sir, in which company do you work?
माय कंपनी,
Name?
माय कंपनी नेम, माय कंपनी नेम इज नेम। So my company sent me to take your interview, as you are looking like a good candidate for us. So I am here to take your interview, and I have taken your interview, and I thought it's uh, okay, not so bad, not so good, right? So I am going to upload this video. I am recording it on YouTube.
Okay sir.
Okay, you
Sir,
have my YouTube channel.
send me collaboration.
Yeah. So you have your YouTube, right?
Right.
Okay, I'm sending you collaboration.
Sir,
Uh,
I am more than subscriber than you.
Oh yeah, I just started. Okay, so don't mock me. Okay, so I should close the recording. Recording to
Okay.
Sanya.